Hello everyone and welcome to my new fire alarm system. I'm sorry it took so long. I've just been busy with school and things, but here it is. The brain system is a Silent Night SK5700 addressable fire alarm panel. I'm using the SD protocol, Hitachi I believe, and I'm just gonna walk you through everything first. So starting at the panel, I can open it. Those two main wires. Excuse that one, that's still something else, but I currently do not have a battery, which is why I have trouble. And so I have one wire for the NAC and one wire for the SLC. They then go to this junction box, which then goes to the first module. Now this is a SD405, I believe, or something like that. It's a module for this simplex pulse station. You can read that. But that's that, and then I have a system sensor P1224MC, which then goes to two addressable detectors. This is the addressable 505AHS and the addressable SD 505APS, or photoelectric and heat. These use the same base, and I can just show you real quick. They are actually interchangeable. So I can just take one out, put them in the other. Like if and in a minute they will leak, but I'm gonna get in trouble in a second because they're not gonna be in the system. So that's pretty much the entire system. It's all, yeah, there we go. Oh, and also, this device is in permanent trouble because it does have water damage, but I got it for free. So that's why. Let's see what troubles we have. Missing, open circuit. And I do have a resistor on there, and it is the proper resistance. And that other while, I just brought another fire alarm just to showcase a little bit. I just have it taped to the wall. Just a wheel like an S. So I'm just gonna put my earplugs in, and then we will get ready to start. Alright, so it'll just take a few minutes for those devices to be recognized. Then these will go away. Oh, there we go. And I named everything. So let's start with the pulse station. Acknowledge. Silence. Reset. And unfortunately with addressable systems, they take a little longer to reset because all the devices have to initialize. And since this is a very small system, it'll only take about a minute, but yeah, we can probably skip ahead a little bit until these devices blink that they're active. So it says initializing. I'm sorry for the shakiness. Oh, there we go, the audio connected. Excellent. So now, let's do the heat detector. I just have a hair dryer thing here. Alright, so that's silenced. And I don't know why the pull station has selective, but the detectors don't have it. I'm not that fond of programming yet. But let's just re-alarm it with the smoke detector. I'm gonna have to put the camera up like this for a second. Hopefully you can see that alright. Takes about a minute for the smoke detector because it has verification on it, which it does kind of secretly. There we go. So now let's do this. Why not? Get that smoke out. And that is it, everyone. That's my new system. Hope you enjoy. I honestly do not plan on expanding this. I do not plan on changing out any devices. Only thing I may add is an adjustable pull station in the future, but right now I think the system is pretty good for what it is. It's definitely not my house system, but I was, I could bring this places if I had to do some experiments on it. That's gonna re-alarm in a second. Oh, not? I'm crazy. Okay. Well, yeah. Non-silenceable troublespool. Thank you everyone for watching. Really appreciate it. Please leave any comments if you enjoy, any suggestions, or you can say requests, but I don't know if I'll do them or not. I probably will, but not for a while. But yeah, that's about it. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you for watching.